Hey there, parents. Are you looking to get your kids excited about computer learning? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share some awesome tools and activities that'll make learning computing fun and educational for your little ones. First up, interactive learning tools. Ever heard of Scratch? It's a programming language designed for kids where they can create their own games and animations using block-based coding. It's a fantastic way to boost their creativity and problem-solving skills. Then there's code.org, offering fun courses and games that introduce programming concepts in a kid-friendly manner. These interactive projects keep children engaged while they learn. Next, let's talk about gamified programming platforms. Codable is an educational platform that teaches programming through engaging games and puzzles, perfect for younger kids. And then there's Lightbot, a puzzle game that teaches basic programming logic by guiding a robot to light up tiles. These are great fun and a wonderful introduction to computational thinking. Now, on to robotics kits. Have you seen Lego Mindstorms? These kits allow kids to build and program robots. They can create various designs and learn robotics and programming hands-on. Another cool tool is Ozobot, small bots that can be programmed with simple color codes. They're suitable for both younger and older kids and teach basic programming concepts. For creative design and development, check out Tinker. It offers coding lessons that range from block-based programming for younger kids to JavaScript and Python for older students. Plus, it includes game design. And don't forget Minecraft Education Edition, where coding, history, and science are all wrapped up in a game kids already love. When it comes to online courses and tutorials, Khan Academy is fantastic. Their computer programming section teaches HTML, CSS, and JavaScript through engaging lessons. And platforms like Coursera and edX provide courses from reputable universities on various computing topics that can be age-appropriate with a bit of parental guidance. Let's not forget multi-user platforms for collaboration like GitHub. As kids advance, they can learn to collaborate on coding projects using GitHub. It's a great way to introduce them to real-world coding practices. And Roblox Studio allows kids to create their own games and experiences, learning programming concepts through Lua scripting. Encouraging critical thinking is also essential. Escape room games, whether online or board games, require logical reasoning and problem solving and can enhance analytical skills. Simulations and virtual labs, like FEAT interactive simulations, offer fun ways to conduct science and math experiments using technology. And finally, parental engagement and support is key. Encourage your kids to join coding camps or clubs like Girls Who Code or Coder Dojo. Discuss tech news or interesting innovations that involve computing to spark conversations and interests in various tech fields. So, there you have it. Incorporating a mix of programming, robotics, games, and creative design into your child's computer learning experience can significantly boost their interest and understanding of technology. Keep the learning fun, engaging, and hands-on, and you'll nurture their curiosity and provide them with essential skills for the future. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Skills Fix TT channel. Thanks for watching.